To order your new DOB Training Connect SST card, start by going to safetycardtracker.com and selecting the Upgrade SST card button from the homepage. This page will give you more information on the upcoming SST card requirement. When you are ready to order your SST card, select the Order Card button and log in to your safetycardtracker.com account. Once logged in, make sure that you are on the Upgrade SST Card tab in the dashboard menu. Cards you are eligible to order will display an Add to Cart button. You will also have the option for expedited or standard shipping. Once you decide which card you would like to order, select Add to Cart and click Proceed to Checkout. Follow the prompts on this page to submit your payment and complete your order.